Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Triotech International, ticker symbol TRT, listed on NYSE American. Triotech International is a technology focused company that works in semiconductor testing, manufacturing solutions, and engineering services. The company supports industries connected with electronics and advanced technology systems. Looking at the recent chart movement, TRT has shown a strong upward momentum with high trading activity and increased buyer interest. The stock moved above important short-term resistance levels, which signals positive market attention. The chart also shows a strong volatility, so traders are closely watching whether the momentum can continue in the coming sessions. If the stock holds above key support zones, the trend may remain positive. However, sharp movements can also bring quick pullbacks, so market direction should be monitored carefully. From a future perspective, Triotech International could benefit from growing demand in semiconductor and electronics related industries. Expansion in technology and testing services may help the company stay relevant in the market. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational and informational purposes. Please do your own research before making any decision related to the stock market. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next video.